Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar. In this video, we will learn how we can convert this pivot table into tabular format with repeat level. So I have this pivot 1. This is available in tabular format with the repeat of label. You can see here is multiple times supervisor 1, then supervisor 2 and similarly month. So how we can convert this pivot 2 in the format of pivot 1. So we will learn in this video. First of all, we will change the format. So click anywhere on the pivot. Whenever you will click on the pivot, then this pivot table tools will be visible. Now go to the design. First of all, we will change it in the tabular format. So I'll go to the report layout. Here in report layout, you can see this option available which is show in tabular form. Just click on this. Now this tabular form is available. Now we will repeat the labels. To repeating the label, you can see the supervisor one is available once only. Then these are the blanks. Similarly for month. So we want to repeat this on each time. So again we will go to the design, report layout, and then here we will click on repeat all item labels. You can see here, so it is repeating. You can format this as center. Alright friends, but here if you will see, there is no subtotal available even for month, but in pivot 2 you can see month total is available, supervisor total is available. If we don't want to keep this subtotal, so for month we don't want to keep the subtotal, right click here and you can click uncheck this subtotal, the month subtotal, or you can go to the design and then subtotals and click on do not show subtotals. So you can see all the subtotals has been removed. Alright friends, so that's how you can convert your pivot table into tabular format with these repeat labels, and that's how you can remove the subtotals. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the watching.